Let's get familiar with what catching a cold looks like. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have SOYUQ DƏYMÄK. SOYUQ DÄYMÄK. SOYUQ DÄYMÄK, like I said, catch a cold or come down with a cold. Let's see some phrases, simple phrases, and then some sentences. Phrases first. To catch a cold, SOYUQ DÄYMÄK, just by itself. Or you want to say something like light, chill, to catch a chill. Yüngülcə SOYUQ DÄYMÄK, like you've coming up with something very lightly. Yüngülcə, lightly. Qəfil SOYUQ DÄYMÄK, suddenly come down with a cold. Right? Now sentences. Dünən yağışda qalıb, gecə pəncərəni açıq saxladım və səhər mənə qəfil soyuq dəydi. Buna görə də görüşü təxirə saldım. Yesterday I got caught in the rain and kept the window open at night. And in the morning I suddenly caught a cold, so I postponed the meeting. So SOYUQ DÄYMÄK was an infinitive form. You wanted to say it in the past, SOYUQ dəydi. That's why you removed mek. Now, dünən yağışda qalıb, yesterday I got caught in the rain, gecə pəncərəni açıq saxladım, and kept the window open at night. Pəncərə, window, gecə, night, açıq saxlamaq, to keep open. Və səhər mənə qəfil soyuq dəydi. I mean, what's suddenly about it? Because once you do all that, in the morning, suddenly got cold. So, buna görə də, that's why, görüşü təxirə saldım. I postponed the meeting. Let's see another sentence. Payızda hava dəyişəndə, üst geyimi götürməyəndə, adama yüngülcə soyuq dəyir və bütün həftə özünü halsız hiss edir. This is like you don't catch a cold badly, something lightly. Let's see why. When the weather changes in autumn or fall and you don't take a jacket is something outer layer, right? That's what I mean here, üst giyim, jacket. You'd lightly catch a cold and feel weak all week. That happens to all of us. Bütün həftə, all week, özünü halsız hiss edir, feels oneself weak. Now, payızda, in fall, in autumn. Üst giyim götürməyəndə, when you don't take outer layer or jacket in here. Adama yüngülcə soyuq dəyir. You lightly catch a cold, right? You catch a chill. That's what I mean here. Payızda hava dəyişəndə, üst geyimi götürməyəndə, adama yüngülcə soyuq dəyir və bütün həftə özünü halsız hiss edir. Okay, that was today's word, SOYUQ DÄYMÄK. Ready for dad joke use? There it is. Turns out, my immune system schedules meetings with SOYUQ DÄYMÄK whenever I forget my jacket. Now, I have tomorrow another word coming up for you, but until then, please feel free to check out masterazerbaijani.com or download Master Azerbaijani app if you are interested in learning more structured, more deeper, more wider content-wise. Otherwise, come back here tomorrow. I'll see you there. Cheers.